Now our engineer has copied the completed programming into the USB drive. Many of you may have the problems about how to do the programming. Send us a private message and we will send you more details. Once all the preparation work is done, we can start up the machine. If you need to change the language, press Menu Select, press this button, and change language. And we can choose English. If we need to switch to other languages, still press Menu Select, press Setup, change language, and select any language you prefer. Now let's copy the programming into the controller. Press Program Manager and then press USB, and then select the right programming. Press Copy. Select NC and then paste. Now I have to do the programming simulation on the CNC controller and also do the manually check to see whether there are some errors in the programming to prevent tool collisions. Open it, and this is the program we will run. So this is the program we choose and press Input. Let's check whether the blade path is correct. Press Program Manager and then Input. Press Simulation. Press this button. If you see M0 here, keep pressing this button until the program runs automatically. During this process, we need to check whether there is any problem with the path continuity. When you see M30 here, it means the simulation is over. Press Edit and return to the current programming. Now we have to do the manual simulation by handwheel. The very important step is to make the tool holder in a very safe position and also do some edits in the programming as well. Delete M04. Switch the spin-off speed to 0 to prevent the machine from starting suddenly. Press Execute and press Reset. The Auto button will light automatically, and then choose Handwheel. Through the manual simulation, we can see there is no error in the programming. I'm very excited now because I'm going to create my first spinning sample. Let's see if I can succeed. Wow! Everything is just perfect and so easy. I found CNC metal spinning machine is incredibly straightforward, unlike the manual spinning, which requires a lot of physical effort. If I can do it, I'm confident that your engineer will have no problem at all. If you are interested in our machine, you are welcome to visit our website www.hoston.cc or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching.